Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti again. I know, I wasn't here this weekend. I have tons of boxes and I am unwrapping them. Oh, the dogs are seeing the bunnies. Hold on. Okay, no worries. The bunny rabbits are okay. But I got another Amazon package, so we're going to open that up. I am just here recording these for you, all my packages that I got this past week and weekend. I just didn't have the time, so they've been sitting there waiting for me, and I've been waiting for you because I'd love to show them. Oh, it's another Arteza. This one is the self-adhesive vinyl, and you guys, they're 12 by 12 and it's holographic. Look at that. So we've got all these different shades here. See that? We're gonna take it out because we need to look at it, right? But this is vinyl, so you can use it on Cricut, you can use it on the silhouette, you can even use it die cutting if there's certain dies that you like. So I have not done the die cutting yet, and I have the Cricut. What, tell me what you guys have. Oh my goodness. This is definitely, look at that. Oh my goodness. I love it. Let me look for, oh, here's a pink. Here is a pink one. Look at that. You see all it. I am loving this. Here's a blue one. You can't tell that it's blue. You can't, I mean, in the camera, you cannot see what I'm seeing. I mean, you could see yours, which is different than what I'm seeing, but let's see if we can, this is all true. Look at that. You see that? Very cool. So we've got all of these holographic, I mean, 12 by 12, so they're gonna fit perfectly. See a yellow one there, purple one. Oh my goodness, I am super excited. I think I am gonna try it. I'm gonna try and run it through a die cut machine and see how that works. Because I know we've got some pretty nice dies right now at Stampin' Up, so really intricate. So we'll give it a shot. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below what kind of cutting machine you have, if any, and what your favorite is, and if you want to see me use the die cutting machine. Alright, I'll talk to you later. I still have more boxes to unbox, but I'm doing them one at a time so that I could put the links down below for you. So, alright, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later.